to Daring Marina YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about shell plating and strake and different types. What are the different types of shell plating and strake? So we can say a plate is a rectangular shaped steel with a certain thickness. So the most common place you can see in a ship's construction is in main deck and side of ship. Plate is a rectangular shaped steel with a little certain thickness, and this plate can be seen in the ship construction mainly in the main deck and side of ship. So this is the structure of a ship plate. Okay, then shell plating. Shell plating is the outermost structure or the hull of a ship. The main purpose of shell plating is to provide watertight skin of ship. So shell plating means it is the outermost structure of the hull of a ship. Its purpose is to provide watertight skin of ship. Based on the position of shell plating, some common types of shell plating are there: bottom shell plating, side shell plating, and deck plating. Based on the position of shell plating, 3 types are there: bottom shell plating, side shell plating, and deck plating. So we can see here bottom shell plating, inside shell plating, and down. At top we can see deck plating. Side shell plating. It is a shell plating on the sides of ship that form watertight skin around the ship. So from the name we can say shell plating is the plating on the sides of ship that forms watertight skin along the ship side. Then bottom shell plating. Bottom shell plating is the shell plating on the bottom part of ship, or we can say bottom shell plate form watertight of the bottom of ship. Bottom shell plating is the shell plating on the bottom part of ship. We can say bottom shell plating form watertight skin on the bottom of ship. And deck shell plating. This is the shell plating which forms on the main deck of ship is called deck shell plating. On the top deck, shell plating form is known as main deck or deck shell plating. So we can say this is the picture of a deck shell plating. And strake. So the shell plating is not made of a single plate. It is made of a smaller sections of plate welded together. These plates are joined together and numbered in a certain pattern. So strike means here shell plating is not made of a single plate. It's made of a smaller section of plate joined together or welded together in a number of different patterns. So we can see E1, E2, E3, etc. D1, D2, D3, C1, C2, C3, etc. B1, B2, etc. A1, A2, etc. So each section of the plate formed in the fore and aft direction is called a strake. So we can say here A strake, B strake, C strake, D strake, E strake. So 5 strakes are in each section of plate formed in the forward and aft direction is known as strake. Okay. Shear strike is the topmost strake of the side shell plating. It is the topmost strake of the side shell plating. In this picture, we can say here E strike is the topmost strike. It is a shear strike. And keel strike. Keel strike is also made of smaller section of steel plate. It is made of smaller section of steel plate from the keel of ship. So these are the strike of plates, small section of plates. These are the strike of plate that found on the keel of ship. It is known as keel strike. And garboard strike. It is the first strike on each side of the keel strike. It is the first strike on each side of keel strike. Here we can say this A is the base. A is the keel strike or garboard strike. We can say it is the first strike on each side of the keel strike. Is the garboard strike. Thank you.